Bitcoin Cash BCH is a decentralized computerized money and a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain, meaning to build the versatility and convenience of the first Bitcoin organization, taking into consideration quicker and cheaper exchanges. Assuming you're searching for Bitcoin Cash cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Bitcoin Cash BCH will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Bitcoin Cash BCH and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitcoin Cash is $388.50 and BCH is presently positioned #16 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Bitcoin Cash is 19,727,097 with a market cap of $7,664,030,262. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.17% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the BCH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 11.74%. Bitcoin Cash has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Bitcoin Cash Benefit Number Cruncher is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the presentation of your BCH property by computing likely benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically enter the sum you have contributed, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, charge, and our BCH number cruncher will wrap up. We anticipate future Bitcoin Cash cost expectations estimate by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Bitcoin Cash. We give our altogether greatest verifiable information for the BCH coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Bitcoin Cash market cap, Bitcoin Cash volume, and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast Synopsis. Bitcoin Cash BCH is estimated to arrive at a typical cost of $676.51 toward the finish of 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost figure proposes a chance of BCH exchanging between $4,215 to $5,214 in 2030. Long-haul investigation recommends that Bitcoin Cash cost might actually flood to $202,089 by 2050, with a likely reach somewhere in the range of $186,012 and $238,332. The typical extended cost for Bitcoin Cash in 2040 is supposed to be $103,371, with likely change somewhere in the range of $85,179 and $130,922. As of the most recent update, Bitcoin Cash is exchanging at around $388.50. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $446.08 in 2024. The Bitcoin Cash cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $515.91 with a typical exchanging cost of $465.58 all through 2024. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2025. Bitcoin Cash cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $653.23 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $787.18, with a typical estimate cost of $676.51. BCH value gauge for 2026. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1,005. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1,143, with the typical exchanging cost of $1,032. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $1,433 in 2027. The Bitcoin Cash cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1,743, with the typical cost of $1,485 all through 2027. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2028. Bitcoin Cash cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $2,062 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $2,539, with the typical conjecture cost of $2,136. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH, in 2029, the cost of Bitcoin Cash is gauged to be at around a base worth of $2,988. The Bitcoin Cash value worth can arrive at a limit of $3,604, with the typical exchanging worth of $3,074 in USD. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2030. The cost of one Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at any rate level of $4,215 in 2030. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $5,214, with a typical cost of $4,338 all through 2030. Bitcoin Cash Value Figure 2031. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is supposed to reach at least value worth of $6,086. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1,711, with a typical worth of $1,603. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH, in 2032 the cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $9,582. The BCH cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $10,856, with the typical exchanging cost of $9,897. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2033. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is anticipated to reach at least worth of $13,608 in 2033. The Bitcoin Cash cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $16,633, with a typical exchanging cost of $14,102 all through 2033. Bitcoin Cash Value Conjecture 2040. The reception and true use instances of a cryptographic money are similarly essential contemplations. Projects with functional applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Bitcoin Cash cost gauge for 2040, BCH is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $130,922 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of BCH coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $85,179, while the typical cost of the Bitcoin Cash for 2040 is projected to be $103,371. BCH Value Conjecture for 2050. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute altogether to standard